What if you could revolutionize the way your business communicates, eliminating the frustration of dropped calls, slow data speeds, and spotty coverage that has been plaguing your office for far too long? You won't believe the game-changing impact that the weBoost for Business Office 200 cell phone signal booster can have on your daily operations, productivity, and ultimately, your bottom line. This cutting-edge technology is specifically designed to address the common pain points that businesses face when it comes to reliable and fast mobile connectivity. The problem of poor cell phone signal strength is a ubiquitous issue that affects businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. It's not just a matter of inconvenience. It can have serious consequences on your ability to communicate with clients, collaborate with team members, and access critical information in real time. The lack of a strong and stable signal can lead to missed calls, delayed responses, and a general sense of disconnection from the world. This can be particularly challenging in rural areas or in buildings with thick walls and other structural barriers that can block or weaken cell signals. The weBoost for Business Office 200 is specifically designed to tackle these challenges head-on, providing a robust and reliable solution that can amplify weak signals and extend coverage to even the most hard-to-reach areas. When you first unbox the weBoost for Business Office 200, you'll be struck by the premium build quality and aesthetic appeal of the device. The sleek and compact design makes it easy to install and integrate into your existing office setup, and the high-quality materials used in its construction exude a sense of durability and reliability. As you begin to set up the device, you'll appreciate the thoughtful design and attention to detail that has gone into creating a user-friendly experience. While other devices may offer similar features and benefits, the weBoost for Business Office 200 is a clear leader in terms of its ability to provide a significant boost to cell phone signal strength, its compatibility with all major U.S. carriers, and its FCC approval. Whether you're a small business owner or a large corporation, the weBoost for Business Office 200 is a must-have solution for anyone who requires reliable and fast mobile connectivity. In conclusion, the weBoost for Business Office 200 is a game-changing solution that can revolutionize the way your business communicates. With its exceptional performance, ease of use, and scalability, it's a must-have for any business that requires reliable and fast mobile connectivity. Don't let poor cell phone signal strength hold you back any longer. Invest in the weBoost for Business Office 200 today and discover a whole new world of possibilities. With its comprehensive range of features, benefits, and accessories,